Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Annie, and if you're new here, I am here on the internet to make your hair your favorite hair accessory. But today we're going to do a little bit of a different video. I just kind of wanted a chill video to film, and so I thought I would go through my empty products that I've recently used up. Did that make sense? The products that I've recently used up, or empties if you're used to that. And I thought a fun twist would be to show you what I'm going to be using in replacement of it, or if it's worth it, am I going to repurchase it, all that kind of stuff. So let's get into it. I don't have a lot of products. This is mainly from November and December. I'm trying to use up as much products as I have right now before purchasing. I feel like that's like a theme right now on the internet. So first, let's start off with face. So for face wash, I have this kale and green tea from Youth of the People. This was one of those like Sephora birthday things, and I liked it. I thought it was good. I don't know how much like a full size one is, but it's good for just like kind of like a basic cleanser to cleanse your face. I should say I am very acne prone and I'm 31 years old. So I do kind of have to be careful with what products I use, not so much like face wash. So if it's like a gel or like watery, whatever, I'm usually pretty good. So this one was good. Do I think I'm gonna buy it? Probably not, because it's not at the drugstore. So there's that. The next one is Versed. I try not to use like a acne type of face wash. I try to use just kind of like a generic one because I find that they can be really harsh on my skin and a little bit like too much. But this one was actually really nice. It's called Acne Calming Cream Cleanser. I usually try to stay away from creams, but this wasn't like overly creamy. There's one I'm using right now that I'm using up that I hate. That's a cream one. But this one was really nice, and I like Versed because it's affordable, it's good, and you can get it at the drugstore. So I love this and I would recommend this. What I'm going to be using instead is this Simple Refresh facial wash. I got this at Marshall's because I was like, oh, I need a face wash, and then I forgot I had some of these like stored away. So I'm going to be using this instead, and it's like super affordable at the drugstore as well. Now for moisturizers, let me talk about this one. So this is my daytime one that I was using, Holy Hydration from e.l.f. I liked this. I like e.l.f. skincare products in this Holy Hydration. I usually use the jar, but I liked that it had the pump, okay? But my only complaint is that like once you start using it, it starts doing this and then the lid doesn't stay on. So that's really annoying. I would repurchase this again, but I already have some moisturizers that I picked up before it was like a sale or something. So I do recommend this. I really like this. I know a lot of people like this. It's just a very nice basic moisturizer for the daytime, and it's light and it doesn't clog my pores at all. So I really liked this, and surprisingly I loved this. So when I am all out of my face moisturizers, I'm gonna go buy this again, okay? Because this was one that I felt like stayed on my skin all night, so I woke up and my skin still felt really hydrated. It's the Bubble Slam Dunk Hydrating Moisturizer. You can get this at Ulta and Walmart. And I really liked it, and I like this pump because it reminds me of Drunk Elephant, which is super expensive. So I highly recommend this. I need to try more things from this brand as well. So what I'm using for face moisturizer right now is this VitaCream Daily Face Moisturizer in the morning, and then this Provence Bare Lumiere Perfecting and Protecting Cream. This one's a little bit heavier and has more of a fragrance. This is literally a very light cream. So far I like this. I tried this in the morning and I just feel like this won't sit well if you put like makeup or sunscreen. It says that you can, but I don't really know. So far I haven't been clogged with this. And this has non-clogogenic, whatever, however you say it, products. So I like these, and I picked these both up at Ulta. Now let's get into hair. First, we'll start with some shampoo. This is just a bottle for a brand that I was helping reformulate. So I'm done with some shampoo. And then I have conditioner. This is from, where is this? Nature Lab Tokyo. Perfect Repair Conditioner. This is nothing to write home about. I feel like there are very few conditioners that are worth it, or that I need to like, you know, if you need this or you get sent this or you find it and you're like, I need a hair conditioner, this is fine. but I'm not gonna say you need this or it was really good. Sorry. So what I'm using instead is, I love this Color Wow Security shampoo. It's a good detox shampoo. I have had this for so long, like I swear a year, and I still have a lot of it left. A little bit goes a long way, because usually what I do is I do my first wash with this and then I wash with another shampoo. And the current shampoo system that I'm using right now is My Way Hair DNA Prep, the enhanced line. With the shampoo, this is going to help with bond repair, and that's what I'm focusing on for 2025, is bond repair and hydration. And then for conditioners, I am using the Glimmer Superfood Hair Mask. This is really good. Okay, and then I'm not just saying this. At first, when you put it in and then you like leave it in, take it out, you're kind of like, okay, does it really do anything? But then like once your hair is dried, you can really tell a difference. So loving this. And then for leave-in conditioners, these are the last two products that I have. I used up the Day Cactus Flower leave-in conditioner. I like this product. I have the old spray, so I hate this, but I heard that the new sprayer is better. This is really great for all hair types, and it smells delicious, and it is a good detangler. So I do like this, but I feel like there's other ones at the drugstore or other higher end ones that I like better than this, but this is a really good one. So I'm just saying that. This Pureology Color Fanatic is a great leave-in conditioner. I'm kind of sad that I'm out of it. The sprayer is great. Like, it sprays the product great because this is not super thick. It's pretty light. And then you can also screw off the top and get as much out as you can once you can't get the sprayer to spray it out. But it has so many benefits and it's really good. It does last quite a bit. I have a lot of hair, so I don't know how long this lasts. I need to like put the date of when I used it. But it's great for color treated hair if that's something that you really want to focus on, and I think it's like cruelty free and all that kind of stuff. So I really like this one. This is one I will definitely be repurchasing, but I have ones that I need to finish up right now, which brings me to this one that I'm going to be using by Sauce. You can get this on Sally's Beauty Supply as well as Amazon. It's a leave-in and detangler. This is really great. It helps smooth and control frizz, detangle, all that kind of stuff. It's super affordable. I think it's like $15. And the sprayer is kind of fun. The spray out, it kind of like you have to be far away for it to get like the mist part, but it's one that like starts clumpy and then does that make sense? But this is a nice spray thing, like a spray bottle kind of thing. So there you go. So those are all the products that I've used up in the last 2 months and what I'm using right now in replacement. So let me know if you have any other recommendations or if you liked any of these products, have any feedback. Let me know. Let's start the conversation down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.